Imagine a natural powerhouse, a potent herb that boosts your immune system like no other. Welcome to the world of Echinacea. This extraordinary herb is known for its remarkable ability to stimulate the immune system, equipping your body to ward off infections and illnesses more efficiently. But that's not all. Echinacea is also a trusted ally when it comes to reducing the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe pain and inflammation, while its rich antioxidant content shields your cells from damaging free radicals. This dynamic herb doesn't stop there. It aids in wound healing, supports respiratory health, reduces allergy symptoms, and even helps manage stress. Some studies suggest it might even regulate blood sugar levels and promote digestive health. So, whether you're looking for immune support, relief from a nagging cold, or a natural stress buster, Echinacea has got you covered. Join us as we explore the journey of this remarkable herb, from its historical roots to its modern prevalence. Echinacea's journey starts hundreds of years ago, tracing back to the Native Americans who recognized its healing power. This resilient herb, with its vibrant purple flowers, was a staple in their traditional medicine. They used it for a multitude of purposes, from treating infections and wounds to combating snake bites and toothaches. As the centuries rolled on, Echinacea's fame crossed the Atlantic. In the late 19th century, it made a name for itself in Europe as a popular remedy for colds and flu. Fast forward to the 21st century, and Echinacea has become a household name worldwide. Today, it's celebrated for its immune-boosting properties, its ability to alleviate cold and flu symptoms, and its myriad of other health benefits. And the science? It's catching up. Modern research is uncovering the mechanisms behind Echinacea's remarkable effects, reinforcing what traditional healers have known for centuries. From ancient wisdom to modern science, Echinacea's healing properties stand the test of time. Echinacea's benefits go far beyond just boosting the immune system. This potent herb can be your go-to remedy for cold and flu relief. It's known to lessen the severity and length of these common ailments, alleviating symptoms like coughs, sore throats, and congestion. But that's not all. Echinacea is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, which can help reduce pain and inflammation. Its antioxidant properties protect our cells from harmful free radicals, while its antimicrobial characteristics assist in wound healing and skin regeneration. In addition to supporting respiratory health by clearing congestion, Echinacea also helps modulate the immune response, offering relief from allergies. It's an adaptogen too, aiding your body in managing stress and anxiety. Some studies even suggest that Echinacea may help regulate blood sugar levels, a boon for those with diabetes. And let's not forget the digestive health benefits. Echinacea can soothe inflammation and improve the balance of gut flora. Experience the power of Echinacea, a natural ally for your health and well-being.